There is so much money to be made from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Are you a Nigerian living in Nigeria or you reside any part of the world? This video is actually for you. I will be revealing to you step by step how you can open accounts with the Nigerian Stock Exchange and begin to trade and make money. My dear, there is wealth in the stock market. You know, so many of us will talk about the US stock market. You talk about the European stock market. Let me tell you, I want to reveal something to you. I was doing a research recently and I discovered that the all share index, this is a matrix that assesses returns on investment to the market, to investors. I discovered vis-a-vis that of the S&P for America. I discovered that Nigerian all share index has returns to shareholders over 43% of wealth back to investors, while as at the same time, year to date, the S&P has returned about 15% or thereabouts. You can check it out. So I am not saying that the Nigerian stock market is the best, but I'm trying to tell you that this is a potential market, an emerging market that you can invest, and believe me, you can say, I have investment here. So it also helps for those of us who want to go into diversification. You have stocks, you have interest in the US market, you also have interest in the Nigerian market, especially if you're a Nigerian, or perhaps if you are an investor who wants to leverage in other investments. So Nigerian stock market is a place, is an emerging market. It is filled with so much potential and you cannot be left behind. If you are new to this video or you are a bona fide member of this family, you are welcome. It's Investment 101. Here we do three things. We show you how to make money, how to manage money, and of course, how to multiply money. If that makes sense to you, if you desire such, we want you to like, we want you to share, we want you to subscribe, and of course, we want to hear you. We want you to drop your comments. My name is Nicholas, and my greatest happiness is to see your financial prosperity. And here is how you start making money from the Nigerian stock market. The first thing you need to do is to open a stockbroking firm account with a stockbroking firm. They are the interface. You don't just walk into the market and begin to trade. And you can get so many of them online. You Google, you download their app, then you sign up with them. There are a few of them I'm going to mention here, one or two. You have the Mary Stem. I have an account with them. You have a free 2.0, I have an account with them. There is Atlas Portfolio, there is Bamboo, and so many of them. Download them, and if you're in Nigeria, you can go to their office. There is TRW, there is Swaps. You can go there and do business with them. That is the first thing. Then you download the app or you go to their office. Then secondly, the second thing you need to do, because it doesn't end just downloading, then you need to submit some requirements. You need your ID card, it can be your international passport, it can be your driver's license, it can be your NIN. Then you need your BVN number. You need, of course, your bank details, because by your buying or selling, you need to move the money from your bank into their own account there. Then you also need your utility bill. It can be light, it can be your house. If you are in Nigeria, your utility bill, of course, not older than 3 months. And if you are outside Nigeria, you can notarize it, then you upload it, and then it is good to go. And also you need to sign. You can sign on a paper and upload it, and they will have it for you. Of course, you also need to submit your address. You need to enter it in the form. So these are the things that you need in order to have an account with a stockbroking firm. So that is the first step. You open an account with a stockbroking firm. You give them this information. They will also do their KYC, but these are the things that they will be requiring from you. Step number 2, generation of a CSCS account number. This CSCS account number will be generated for you by the stockbroking firm that you have registered with, and they will give it to you maximum 72 hours if network is not a challenge. But normally the standard is 48 hours. Some of them take 3 days, so most of them 42 hours. So 48 hours rather. So as soon as you upload all your information, this CSCS account number is generated for you. And with this CSCS account number, you can buy and you can sell, you can place orders, you are buying or you are selling. So it is a permit for you to do dealings on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Step number 3. fund your CSCS account. As soon as you have gotten your CSCS number, the next thing to do in order to start making money from the Nigerian Stock Exchange is to fund that account with as much as you want to. 1 billion, 1 million, 100,000, 10,000, even 500 naira. Just fund it. Then you can now place order. As soon as orders are placed, you will see your stocks if they meet the requirement, and if you are also selling, the same thing applies. Step number 4, invest in your choice stocks. You must pick the stocks that you want. Now, there are some stockbroking firms, they do weekly, they do monthly, periodic recommendations. So you go to them, go check out their site, you will see them recommending stocks, then those to sell, those to hold, and those to buy. So you check and you decide what you want. But of course, you have to have your due diligence. You must know why you are going into the stock market, whether it's in the long run, it is for short time, or it's for profit taking. So once you have your philosophy enshrined in whatever you are buying, then you can go. They have recommendations here and there. But once again, do your due diligence. Whatever anybody recommends for you, do search, check out the fundamentals. If it is something that is okay for you and it meets with your investing principles, then you are good to go. And these are other things that you need to know. Number 1, market opens every day between the hours of 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. every working day, excluding weekends and public holidays. Then 2, settlement date. It used to be 3 days, but government has said it's going to be 2 days. The government of Nigeria has now made it to be 2 days through the regulatory body. So your money is coming to you fast. So there's not going to be any delay. Then you can now decide what you are going to do, whether you want to buy more or you want to withdraw into your personal account. So if you have learned anything today, I want you to do something for us. We want you to like, we want you to share, we want you to comment, and that your comment should be, I am going to open an account with CSCS and make money from the Nigerian stock market. The market is a huge potential. It is an emerging market, and the earlier you come in, the better off. And of course, if you are coming into the stock market, you must have a principle. Are you going for short term, for long term, for medium, or for profit taking, or for retirement? You must define why you are coming. There are so much videos that we are coming up with, how you're going to buy, the limit order and the market order, so many of them. Keep in touch with us. We are Investment 101. As Avela said, our joy is to see your prosperity, taking the right financial decisions, because we are here to teach you how to make money, how to manage your money, and how to multiply your money. God bless you. See you at the top. Remain at the top.